munsua nyansa wate. Ghana for munsua nyansa na munhunu se enye sika na ya ade nyina.
Breaking news. Igbo king in Ghana has been arrested. Yes. I mean, Igbo king in Ghana has been arrested. Earlier today at 3 p.m. and Papano, BNI and any national security, Echo picking up. And Timika say the man, Dr. Chukudi, is in custody. Is in the custody of the BNI. Several charges have been brought against him. Now, questioner, a man for Ebisane say, why and I'm a coachy papa way?
No, the master was say before I back with video, any dear quanso, but more than so by the over subscribe with their mammy channel. That's Bibli, but that's so why they or subscribe with their mammy. Like video, no, na share. Mr. Hassan Ayariga. Kudos to you, Papa. So what in your boy humodeni? Achisa akwa widini ya. Ofri ni krom Igbo wonene mua wanya baabia mo sesen ni krom Igbo fo asase kura ndimi anje a wonene mua wa ba bedru Ghana wo se Ghana enam se Ghana fo agim yenti no eho ene wo be na kasesem abedi ne ho so no a wo hu se Ghana youth asori se yempene mani ni sa na henie no enso enam se waye na adwene se wato Ghana fo mpanimfo wa kire Ghana fo mpanimfo the prominent people wo man mu ni nyina no wa kire wo mu de wo mu gune na ase titia wo mu so nti no enye na asem waye na adwene se festival na Ghana fo ka kire ne se ma on this festival no waye na adwene se enye na asem obedi. Because umbu bia wo man mu wo hu se Ghana leaders no omu betimi ne na family kwanso no wo hu se they are weak omani briska into wo tue sika ma wo mo ntide wo pe ene wo ye no e wo man mu ene ye nkonkohwa enkranfo no agimifo no wo mu no Some Ghana no dear, Chester Jimmy or her a hope ama mine so for. Woman so my Ghana no a Jimmy for one goon into be a money bag so. No, and I just say, or bo my Ghana no what baba be use so mine. O be a money bag so when him says me yasi kaka crabby, na me chili kaka crabby, and the cocha, menya bonny eddy woman. Ain't you sure? Papa Wayne in Namnungwa and crime for no good form because before we be tabayefu or befun tabainsa or before Sako we ebefu san tabai we muninan. A young crime for him gamanche and a dealing and crime for him for and a dinisia conaso a bad year de no so munimuna. Ghana for Monsieur Yansawati. Ghana for Monsieur Yansa na munhunu se enye sika na ya ade nyina. With money everything is possible, but sometimes we any kwan say ye ton ya adwene e de makwase afobia any kwan say ye ton ya adwene de mamuwa any kwan say ye ton ya adwene de mewudifo wa ho se mu pesika enti sika no wo tu agumo so na wa yeden watietia mo so. Igbo king no ehunu se Ghana fo mu pesika enti sika no o tu sika na gumuso no wanya kwan atietia mo so sika no so wo tu gumuso no mu kan ehunu se eye mu amobusuafo ne mo namfofo ene o my Ghana fo mu emoja ene wo tu gu no say we disem no mo te Ghana o mu kidnap ni baskam ni ba diboni di ni pewu no eye mu amusika ne yaje ene ye tu gumuso Ghana fo open your eyes. You people should open your eyes. Mo jimi dodo ekomo ama mo adane moa ekomo ama mo adwene yi atofom mo sorry am se joma ama ba obu oman John mama aba wo bu o man aye wo man ni ye na nie. Asem we ba ye ya papa John mama ntimi ba abonte me ka ho asem. The owo position no won wakochi sa akwo wi se nkosa nkosi asem na wo di no o ma ne kwan. Papa Hassan Ayariga, papa kudos to you. Kevin Taylor kwasampani na osoro osi internet ne so bubom ye dede aboa bana na fono said ye yanyim na chi no na fono said wo di binimu ntropo no sa kwasampani no on ba bonten e ma meka sa asem we hu asem ena yese papa Hassan Ayariga timi achi akwai adina ye den akotu, and I'm praying say it's true because munyina munim say sa asem we baye no. The Lioness, my G Eddie Simibo, because ye mpese ebekwa kudru mrebi. Na Ghana for a fedie. Adiana bedani kakahini. Na Ghana for so kakahina yase, na walk cow, as we Jenny Moonjine. Ghana for some one show ye bedroom mrebino. Sa ibo kin we see no, or bedani kakahine kutamu. Na sabreno, or become pans, we Jenny Moonjine. Obedani kakahini woso kakahina waso na yase wo ju wo kawo na wo jeni mu enjan because chimi because Ghana ye muwa ye ni ama bibini asem bibini na ye kan ye ni ama na ase na ba mu sika wo to gu musunti mu atane muwa eni wo tete am so no no wai na beti kokoti John mama ba aba betena akonwa so asem ehia se de whole Ghana obie ka ho asem papa na yi nani John mama yi nani emfa ne ho enye na sem because to me no wanya awie asem we ho sanka esi wa bra John mama wo position ka mo hu nsem obeka fam sa ibokin we se no a wabege Ghana abosu ata nani asem sanka esi bra John mama ye papa John mama no wo position no anka wo be hu and some more back and Kakosambeni Kevin Taylor and Kobe some more back. And ne dear Cosu Ghana in Enfano because when he Ibo Kano or Muo a young cofa into one Mekabi. Sagana Fuzi Mubewu, some obey a day and for woman. It is a breaking news, Yachene dear, any NHS in Yamanai, any and nest about to one Montoman Papa has Ayariga, one a betty musu, one a dachi. Obeshe dachi ye di diamanchiriba. Any ana papa ye be campaign diamant. Papa Hassan Ayariga. So what me chisa ko wedini e famra kwa so pamuni free o my Ghana mo ye nyina be campaign diamant 2028. Papa because John mama no odu o my nabro. Enya na sem. I wanted the ekoso de any breaking news. You see Papa Hassan Ayariga wache Ibo ken wabesi ne ho hene no wabu obi kuro me nam se wo hu se kuro mo of wa jimi nti no wabu obi kuro mu na wabesi ne ho hene yese papa na che no na a good news se papa no wache sa akoa no ye nyina ye mampani ni John mama the first gentleman of the state no asem we bai wo no nka wo so waba abonte abai address this issue no we yinani enti abusu ameja wa ma wa ye de wa hwe video no na masiro say before e ba ko hwe video no eni de kwan so bo modi aso ba ye de oba subscribe e de ama me channel no me da se bibli me da se wa ye de wa subscribe e de ama me like video no na share mo am wo YouTube mo am wo TikTok and masiro mo say me wo YouTube channel edini the Lioness Media me videos no me ye full video ni nyina da YouTube because I have untimi upload long video long than 10 minutes and sometimes video no I was say yet 10 minutes the mesro say mo am wo YouTube ha nyina busua madofo nyina me de me channel ni din to so na am the link ne beto comment na say o click so I do be come page ne so there be link ne kura da me page ne so me my account mu e wo TikTok ha abusua madofo am do me nyina mesre mo say o click link ne so I do be ko me channel ne so the Lioness Media okwa no wa support mo ahwe video no wa share no wa subscribe e de amame se de be ya dan den na ebetima ye de ehia na ye de nkomo a yiwo mu e de abrewo nkomo a awuwo mu e de abrewo Now so I de watie dia ye de because de obetima ye de aboa wonu aba no ekun bebre ba me ku TikTok ha no de obetima ye no se obede obe support me e wo YouTube me da ase bebre se why obede obeye ne sa mame ye papa John mama brabonten ne be pa bibi ka kire sa akowa no wadamfo no mpo a mane hu ni ginabe awo man Ghana mu jimi a ya jimi anu nti na amanfo ye sa no obi ba no de kapre sempoa ebe daada ye ne yedi na chi se nwan ne yedi wo machi se mponche Ghana fo moma ye nsue nyansa na ye nsoso ye yi nipa edini ye de the lioness me da ase bebre beside the ehie bi.
Breaking news. Igbo king in Ghana has been arrested. Yes. I mean, Igbo king in Ghana has been arrested. Earlier today at 3 p.m. and Papano, BNI, and any national security, Echo picking up. And Timika say, the man, Dr. Chukwudi, is in custody. Is in the custody of the BNI. Several charges have been brought against him. Now, questioner, a man for Ebisane say, why enama yakochi papa we? Nipa wama yakochi papa we and net 3 p.m. And a friend of Dr. Hassan Ayariga. Dr. Hassan Ayariga is the presidential candidate and the founder of the All People's Congress. He has triggered the arrest of the Igbo king, the so-called Igbo king, the arrogant Igbo king, the criminal Igbo king in Ghana. And so as I'm speaking, he is currently in detention in BNI cells. Several attempts by Nigerian High Commissioner and Ambassador to Ghana to get him bail has proven futile. Dr. Hassan said, and Papano, onini bedini yepa for causing unnecessary tension and unrest in the country. And so several charges have been brought against Dr. Chukwudi. The lawyers of Mr. Dr. Hassan Ayariga earlier stormed the BNI facility with their charges against the man. Well, this man has been parading. Dr. Chukwudi has been parading as a very powerful man in Ghana. He's been parading as someone who has bribed all our leaders, who has bought the conscience of all our leaders. But in the forest of hopelessness comes an oasis of hope. And that hope is Dr. Hassan Ayariga. Dr. Nyankopon Shrao. You have listened to the cry of the Ghanaian people. You have proven again, times and again, that you are a true Ghanaian who stands for the true values of our land. And we are looking forward for the true and the full dealings on this case. You know, at the end of this video, I'm going to play the call I placed earlier to Dr. Hassan Ayariga following the arrest of the Igbo king in Ghana. Stay tuned and let me update you on everything that has to do with this Igbo king in Ghana. Just stay tuned. Now, listen to the voice. Listen to the voice.
The fact of the matter is that he's still with the national security. So he's denied that he has not bought land. But I said no. But the fact of the matter is that whether he has bought land or not, we'll investigate. But the most important thing is that they should strip him off of calling himself a king in Ghana. And then I will get evidence of his illegal activities and send to them. And because he went there with his embassy people, the embassy has followed him, the lawyers have followed him, so that they are not able to detain him. But I said they should keep him there till tomorrow.
Good. Honorable.
Yes.
I want to thank you very much for this a very important step you have taken to redeem the image of this country at this point.
Thank you.
In fact, this arrest is to the interest of all of us, and possibly among other things, this